Let's go over how to insert rows and insert columns. Let's say you got a block of data like this, but you wanted to give it a little space between the numbers and the row titles. All you need to do is select a column. You can do that by either clicking on its letter or by using the shortcut Control Space. Then you just use the shortcut Control Shift Plus to insert columns. So let's undo that for now, and I'll show you another way. You can also select, you can just right click and select Insert Entire Column. And that's a useful way to do that. If you want to insert a row, for example, you can either select the whole row by clicking on its row number or by using the shortcut Shift Space. And then you can use the shortcut Control Shift Plus to insert a row, or do what we did before, right click, insert entire row. If you want to insert multiple rows or multiple columns at the same time, let's delete that. Let's say we wanted to insert 3. You don't actually need to do it 3 times. You could just highlight 3 columns. And now if you go to insert using the shortcut or by right clicking, it's going to insert 3. So we'll do it by clicking. We've highlighted 3 and we just go insert, bam, 3 columns. And that will work for rows as well. Let's say we want to insert 3 rows. Let's highlight the rows so we can skip that second step of bam.